Hey guys, what's up? My name's Eric and I'm the Techy Agent, and today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch. I'll have a full review of this watch up here in about 2 weeks. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and give you the unboxing experience and my first impressions. So right out of the box, I was impressed. Samsung has definitely put this together with top-notch build quality. We're getting beautiful glass display, we're getting beautiful metallic bezels, and you can tell that the quality is there. The watch is substantial. It's a heavy watch. It's a kind of bulky watch, if I'm honest, as well. Now, I really like magnetic wireless chargers. The Apple Watch obviously has been doing that for a while. A lot of other wearable makers are doing that, but where Samsung really shines, in my opinion, is that they have a wireless magnetic charging stand that puts the watch up on the side and then allows you to be able to see kind of a display mode, a charging mode, and see the time even while the watch is charging. I really like that feature, so you can set the watch up on your nightstand beside your bed and be able to see information, see the time, see notifications maybe as they pop up on the side of your bed even while the watch is charging. That's a feature that you're not getting stock from any other wearable makers really, and so Samsung is really kind of leading the pack in terms of a charging base. I know it seems like a small thing, but I'm really perpetually frustrated when I see other wearable makers, Garmin for example, still kind of putting out these clip-on style chargers that just feel like they're 5, 6, 7 years old. So it's great to see Samsung offer something that's a quality charging base in contrast to a lot of what else is on the market right now. The built-in optical heart rate sensor is nearly flush with the back of the watch. This is a design that a lot of other wearable makers are going. You have Fitbit, Garmin, the Apple Watch. All of them are trying to make the optical heart rate sensor as flush as they possibly can with the back of a device so that you don't have like this large sensor kind of protruding and sticking into your wrist, causing discomfort. So that's definitely a design quality that we're seeing on this Samsung watch as well. On the right side of the watch, you're going to have 2 buttons for navigating the menus and selecting options. And then on the front of the watch, you're going to have the infamous Samsung crown that rotates. So you have a rotating bezel. Now this is a design that I personally really like. I know it's a polarizing design for some. They do not like the rotating bezel. I think it's a great design for navigating menus. Some don't like it because you can accidentally brush that bezel up against a piece of clothing or something like that and accidentally scroll through menus, but the same can be said for the Apple Watch crown that's on the side of the watch as well. The watch comes with standard size watch straps with quick disconnect pins, and you can swap these out for other third-party straps if you're so inclined. I will say that the watch straps that come shipped with this watch are a great quality. You're getting that soft rubber feel as opposed to the hard plastic or cheap plastic feel that you might get on some watch straps. One of my only complaints so far is that the lugs that support the watch straps really protrude off of this watch. They're very wide, actually almost wider than my entire wrist. So the watch really has an oversized, large, chunky feel to it, in addition to its weight. It just has some substantial size. So for someone who has a smaller wrist and doesn't like a bulky, large watch, this version of the watch is going to be a no-go. Now, they do offer smaller versions of this watch in case you're wanting to kind of downsize and go with something a little bit more streamlined. Now, I purchased the largest version, which you're seeing here on screen, the 46mm version, and it's the largest version by far. You can go with smaller versions of the watch, which are also a little bit cheaper as well, the $273 rose gold version or the $293 other version that's black. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with what I'm getting out of the box here. It looks like in terms of smart features, this competes with the best of the best, really holds its own against something like the Apple Watch, and in terms of of fitness and health features, this has everything you're going to need to track a wide variety of exercises with built-in GPS, a built-in accelerometer, and an optical heart rate sensor. This is compatible with both iOS and Android. It does come featured with waterproof or water resistance, so you can wear this with you into the shower, into the pool, and even track some swim-related activities. So as you guys know, this is just the unboxing. I will have a full review where I cover all of the health and fitness aspects of this watch coming soon here in about 2 weeks. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload the full review coming here in about 10 days or so. Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is Eric and I'm the Techie Agent. We'll catch you next time.